A St. Catherine woman is speaking out against a controversial school policy that has led to her son being sent home. The issue, he has not been immunized.
Tasia Johnson is at a crossroads. She and other members of her family are devout Rastafarians, which she says was made clear when her son was enrolled at the Ewerton Primary School in St. Catherine last year. Ms. Johnson says she provided the school with a letter from their religious committee seeking to be exempt from vaccination. He's been a student since, but as the term comes to an end, his future at the school is uncertain.
He was born abroad and there was a letter that exempt him from vaccination. So he does not have one because he was exempt. They said that that letter cannot be used out here, so I got one from the Rastafari committee and presented to the school.
Ms. Johnson is outraged.
I stated that I'm going to send the child today and tomorrow, and they informed the driver that the driver should not pick up the child and take the child to school, because they said that Ministry of Health said that they're going to get a fine of $1 million if the child is on the compound.
The Ministry of Health requires all students to be vaccinated upon entering school, but Ms. Johnson is determined to fight for her son's right to learn.
His father doesn't believe in it and I support him, so I don't see what's the issue there, because it's not like my child is taking a disease or a virus to the school to give the children. I should be the one who is fretting because he's the one that hasn't vaccinated. And I try and give him his balanced meal, try and boost his immune system.
Meanwhile, TVJ News recently sought a response from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton on the ministry's policy about mandatory vaccinations for students.
If it's medical grounds, it has to be supported by a doctor. If it is other grounds like religious, a conversation takes place. And normally, that conversation leads to a resolution of one form or another. So yes, you do have those rare cases, and the system does allow for a discussion, and in extreme cases, allowing a child who has not taken the vaccine. But generally speaking, there has been substantial compliance.
Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.
There's a